Welcome to this video guide on the GPT 5.6 model family. We'll explore the unique capabilities, strengths, and ideal use cases for SOL, TERRA, and LUNA to help you choose the right engine for your needs. Meet the GPT 5.6 lineup. SOL focuses on quality, TERRA provides balance, and LUNA is optimized for speed. Let's break down each model in more detail. First is GPT 5.6 SOL, the heavyweight. It excels at complex research, advanced coding, and deep analysis. While it is the slowest and most resource-intensive model, it delivers unparalleled results for difficult work. Next is TERRA, our all-rounder, offering a perfect balance of speed and intelligence. It is the most versatile choice for regular writing, coding, and daily productivity tasks. Then there is LUNA, the speedster. It prioritizes velocity and efficiency, making it the ideal choice for data extraction, classification, and bulk processing tasks at the lowest cost. This head-to-head comparison table summarizes the focus, reasoning capabilities, and trade-offs of each model so you can see their differences at a glance. When deciding which model to use, consider your task. Choose SOL for high stakes, TERRA for daily work, or LUNA for repetitive and bulk operations. If you're unsure, start with SOL. To summarize, the core distinction between the models is their focus. SOL for quality, TERRA for balance, and LUNA for speed. GPT 5.6 SOL is built for maximum quality. Use this model when you need the highest level of reasoning for important or difficult work. GPT 5.6 TERRA is your engine for everyday balance. It is designed to be the go-to choice for most of your common, daily tasks. GPT 5.6 LUNA provides maximum speed. This model is perfect for simple, repeatable, or high-volume data tasks where efficiency is key. Remember these keywords to easily recall which model to use. SOL stands for depth, TERRA for balance, and LUNA for speed. Thank you for watching.